These geese have met here on the monument. This is so amazing. They must be having some type of march, these Canadian geese, up on the monument. And they're sending off a signal to let them know to move away from the human. Because as I walk, they start to walk in march. Like, get away from this guy. He can be dangerous. These are Canadian geese, which I thought were ducks. Look at the neck on that one right there. The neck on that one is insane. It looks like it's almost a foot long. This is just so miraculous to see all of these ducks concentrated in one area, especially on the monument lawn. Just amazing. I'm going to get back into my vehicle before some one of these birds peck out my head. Just amazing though. They have split up to be amazing because they do not want to come in any type of close quarters with human beings. Look at these magnificent creatures. Right? Look at the magnificence of them. Trying to get really close and personal up on the birds. Look at these beautiful flocks of birds. All over. All over. It's just amazing. Oh, look at that beautiful sight. They had to get close back. Yes, this is very good. Yes. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Very good. Yes. Fly away. Uh-oh. They're not running because they got me surrounded. One more time for the shits and giggles. One more time for the shits and giggles. One more time for the shits and giggles. One more time.